T-Mobile 5G internet users frequently encounter a frustrating problem. Their internet connection appears to be coming from a completely different location than where they actually are. However, when you check your IP address or try to access location-based services, your internet connection appears to be coming from somewhere completely different, sometimes hundreds of miles away. To understand why this happens, we need to look at how internet services determine your location. Most websites and streaming services use IP geolocation. They look up your IP address in a database to determine where you are. The problem occurs because T-Mobile uses centralized IP pools rather than assigning IP addresses based on your local cell tower. Your internet traffic gets routed through regional data centers that may be hundreds of miles from your actual location. The situation is made worse by carrier-grade NAT, or CGNAT. This technology allows multiple T-Mobile customers to share the same public IP address, which further confuses location detection systems and makes it even harder to pinpoint where users actually are. This location confusion creates real problems for streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube TV. These services use IP geolocation to determine what local content you should have access to, and when your IP address doesn't match your actual location, you may be blocked from accessing local channels or regional content. Understanding these technical causes, centralized IP pools, CGNAT, and IP-based geolocation is the first step towards solving T-Mobile 5G location issues. In the next section, we'll explore proven methods to fix these problems. The first method to fix T-Mobile 5G location issues is optimizing your gateway configuration. This involves accessing your T-Mobile internet settings and enabling location services. After restarting your gateway, allow 24 to 48 hours for IP database updates to take effect. You can also contact T-Mobile support to request an IP address refresh. Method 2 involves changing your DNS configuration to use location-aware DNS servers. The most popular options are Google DNS and Cloudflare DNS. Cloudflare DNS is often faster and more privacy-focused, while Google DNS has excellent reliability and global coverage. Both can help improve location accuracy. As a last resort, you can use a VPN to correct your location. However, this should only be done responsibly and to reflect your actual physical location, not to bypass geographic restrictions. Remember, VPNs should only be used to correct your location to where you actually are, not to access content from other regions. Always check the terms of service for your streaming platforms. These methods have different success rates. DNS changes and gateway restarts work for about 65% of users, while VPN solutions have a 95% success rate, but should be used as a last resort. For best results, try multiple methods simultaneously. Start with gateway configuration and DNS changes, then contact T-Mobile support if needed. Use VPN solutions only as a final option and always responsibly.